Elephants are highly adaptable creatures that can be found in a variety of habitats, ranging from dense forests to open savannas and grasslands. There are three main species of elephants: the African bush elephant, Loxodonta africana, the African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis, and the Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. Here's a brief overview of the natural habitats and distribution of each species. African bush elephant, Loxodonta africana. Geographic range. African bush elephants are found across a wide range of ecosystems in sub-Saharan Africa, including savannas, grasslands, forests, and deserts. Habitat. They inhabit a variety of environments, from dense forests to open grasslands and mopan woodlands. These elephants are known for their adaptability to diverse landscapes. African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis. Geographic range. African forest elephants are primarily found in the dense rainforests of Central and West Africa. Habitat. They inhabit dense, lowland tropical forests and swampy areas. Due to their preference for dense vegetation, they are more elusive and less studied than their bush elephant counterparts. Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. Geographic range. Asian elephants are distributed across a range of countries in South and Southeast Asia, including India, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and parts of Southeast Asia. Habitat. Their habitats include a variety of environments such as grasslands, forests, and scrublands. Asian elephants are often found in close proximity to water sources, and they may inhabit both lowland and highland regions. Elephants are migratory animals, and their movements are often influenced by the availability of water, food resources, and seasonal changes. They have a significant impact on their ecosystems, shaping the landscape through their feeding habits and creating water holes that benefit other species. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect elephant habitats and ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching are major threats to elephant populations, making conservation initiatives essential for their long-term survival. African bush elephant, Loxodonta africana. Size. African bush elephants are the largest land mammals, with males weighing between 5,000 to 14,000 kilos, 11,000 to 31,000 lbs, and standing around 3 to 4 meters, 10 to 13 feet, tall at the shoulder. Ears. Their ears are larger and more oval-shaped compared to Asian elephants. Trunk tips. The tips of their trunks have two opposing extensions, resembling the shape of Africa. Habitat. They inhabit a wide range of ecosystems, including savannas, grasslands, woodlands, forests, and deserts. Social structure. African bush elephants typically live in matriarchal herds led by an older and more experienced female. Males may form loose bachelor groups or be solitary. African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis. Size. Smaller than the African bush elephant, with males weighing around 2,000 to 6,000 kg, 4,400 to 13,200 lbs. Ears. Their ears are more rounded and smaller compared to those of the African bush elephant. Trunk tips. The tips of their trunks have only one extension. Habitat. Primarily found in the dense rainforests of Central and West Africa. Social structure. African forest elephants are known for being more elusive and less studied than their savanna counterparts. They often live in smaller family groups. Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. Size. Smaller than both African elephant species, with males weighing between 2,000 to 5,000 ki, 400 to 11,000 lbs. Ears. Smaller than those of African elephants, and the shape is more rounded. Trunk tips. The tips of their trunks have only one extension, similar to African forest elephants. Habitat. Found in a variety of habitats, including grasslands, forests, both deciduous and evergreen, and scrublands, across South and Southeast Asia. Social structure. Asian elephants exhibit a social structure that can include family units led by an older female, but males may lead solitary lives or form loose bachelor groups. Common behaviors. Communication. Elephants communicate using vocalizations, body language, and infrasound. Intelligence. Elephants are highly intelligent and are known for their problem-solving abilities and memory. Social bonds. They form strong social bonds within their groups, and family units are essential for the upbringing of calves. Feeding. Elephants are herbivores and consume a variety of plant material, including grasses, leaves, bark, and fruits. Elephants are known for their complex social structures and behaviors, and reproduction is a crucial aspect of their lives. Here's an overview of elephant reproductive behaviors, the pregnancy process, and the care of elephant calves. Reproductive behaviors. Social structure. Elephants live in matriarchal societies, led by the oldest and most experienced female known as the matriarch. Adult males often live alone or in smaller groups, joining the female herds during the mating season. Mating rituals. Mating rituals involve complex behaviors, such as vocalizations, physical displays, and pheromone signaling. Male elephants may engage in aggressive displays to establish dominance and win mating opportunities. Adult male elephants go through a periodic state called must, characterized by heightened testosterone levels, increased aggression, and secretion from temporal glands. Must is a signal of the male's readiness to mate, and females are more receptive during this time. Pregnancy process, gestation. Period. The gestation period for elephants is one of the longest among mammals, lasting approximately 22 months. Female elephants typically give birth to a single calf, although twins are rare. Birth. Elephants usually give birth in a secluded area within the herd, with other females providing support. Newborn elephants, or calves, weigh around 200-250 pounds, 90-113 kg, and stand about 3 feet 1 meter tall. Mother-calf bond. The mother-calf bond is strong, and the mother provides care, protection, and guidance to the calf. Other females in the herd may also play a role in the care of the newborn. Care of elephant calves. Nursing. Calves depend on their mother's milk for the first few years of life, and nursing is a critical aspect of their early development. Elephant milk is rich in fat and nutrients, supporting the rapid growth of the calf. Protection and guidance. Mothers and other herd members protect the calf from potential threats. Calves learn essential behaviors, social skills, and survival techniques by observing and interacting with the herd. Weaning. Weaning typically occurs around 2 to 3 years of age, but the exact timing can vary. During this period, calves start to consume more solid food and become less reliant on their mother's milk. Social learning. Elephant calves learn from the older members of the herd, acquiring knowledge about feeding, social interactions, and navigation. Play and exploration. Calves engage in playful activities which help develop their physical abilities, coordination, and social skills. The herd provides a supportive environment for the calf's exploration and learning. Human care in captivity. In captive environments like zoos or conservation centers, specialized care is provided, including veterinary attention, proper nutrition, and enrichment activities to simulate natural behaviors. Understanding and respecting the natural behaviors of elephants is crucial for their well-being, whether in the wild or in captivity. Conservation efforts focus on protecting elephant habitats and addressing threats to their survival, ensuring a sustainable future for these magnificent creatures. Bathing and cooling. Elephants love to bathe in water, using their trunks to splash and spray themselves. This behavior helps them cool down in hot climates. The mud coating that results from their bathing also serves as a natural sunscreen, protecting their skin from the sun and insect bites. Drinking habits. Elephants require a significant amount of water to meet their daily needs. Adult elephants can drink up to 50 gallons, 190 liters, of water per day. Their trunks act as versatile tools, helping them suck up water and then bring it to their mouths for drinking. Elephants are also capable of storing water in their trunks for later use. Socializing and play. Water sources often become gathering points for social interactions among elephants. They may engage in play, communication, and bonding while at watering holes or rivers. Elephants, especially the young ones, enjoy playing and frolicking in the water. This behavior helps them develop social skills and strengthen bonds within the herd. Crossing water bodies. Elephants are strong swimmers and can traverse rivers and lakes with relative ease. They use their trunks as snorkels, allowing them to breathe while swimming. The ability to navigate water bodies is essential for elephants, especially during migration or in search of food in suitable habitats. Germination process in water. While elephants are not directly involved in the germination process, their activities can indirectly influence it. Elephants often disperse seeds through their dung. Some seeds have adaptations that allow them to germinate more successfully after passing through an elephant's digestive system and being deposited in a new location. Water plays a role in this process as well, as it helps break down the protective coating of seeds and facilitates germination. Impact on ecosystems. Elephants' interactions with water contribute to the shaping of ecosystems. They create pathways and clearings as they move through water bodies, influencing vegetation patterns and supporting the diversity of aquatic life. Their dung also acts as a nutrient source, enriching the soil and promoting the growth of plants. Buoyancy. Elephants are naturally buoyant due to their large size and the presence of air-filled spaces within their bodies. The trunk, which acts as a snorkel, also aids in their buoyancy. Trunk as a snorkel. Elephants use their trunks like a snorkel while swimming. The trunk can extend above the water, allowing the elephant to breathe while keeping most of its body submerged. Leg movement. Elephants are known to use a walking motion on the bottom of bodies of water, especially in shallower areas. They can also use a sort of doggy paddle with all four legs moving rhythmically. Crossing rivers. Elephants are known to wade through rivers, using their trunks and bodies to stay afloat. They are excellent at navigating through water, and their strong, column-like legs provide stability. Communication through water. Elephants are known to communicate with each other using low-frequency sounds that can travel through both air and water. This communication is important when navigating through water bodies. While elephants are competent swimmers and can cover significant distances in water, they are not known for diving in the way that some marine animals do. Their buoyancy and large body mass make it more challenging for them to fully submerge for extended periods. Additionally, the need for air limits the time they can spend underwater. Overall, while swimming is not a primary mode of transportation for elephants, they are surprisingly adept at traversing through water, using their unique adaptations to handle various aquatic environments. Their ability to swim is often a survival strategy, allowing them to access food, escape predators, or traverse challenging landscapes.